So today, the anta inga neeki vecha fruits inga, okay?
I organized it.
That's okay. So today we are taking this snack box, cutlery, fruit, and the lunch. Whatever. Okay. So for the fruit, we're going to be adding. Maybe I'll put the cut watermelon. Okay. Shining like a...
You're funny.
I'm funny. Oh,
Just be careful if it goes inside here.
Okay, we'll take 2 forks. I'm go hiding.
What are you doing?
This is for mommy.
Oh, do you like watermelon?
Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie.
Mommy, I like this pink color.
Yeah. Okay, adula snack வைக்கணும் bab.
See? Snap.
Snap.
I like crackers best for a snack.
Okay, we're going to be putting this. Okay, the most insulated. Come on. Next, the snack.
I'm just kidding. Crackers, crackers.
You want crackers?
Yeah, crackers.
Okay, where is the cracker? Crackers is here.
These are yummy. And for other snack, I want blueberry.
Blueberry, yeah.
Yeah, blueberry next.
Okay,
For this side.
okay.
I'm finding blueberry.
Wait, Baba. Hazel, wait. Mummy, bara.
Blueberry is up there. Yep, you got me. You got me, Mommy. I got to put blueberries in the refrigerator.
Okay, come.
And not I like it. She's coming back. So, do you like it?
Yeah.
There you go. Be careful.
Good.
Oh. Carrot and rice, please.
Yeah. Mommy, rice and the cook okay? I'll give you. Okay, Bab? Okay, so let's pack now.
I'm actually excited for school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm so excited to my school to start.
Mm-hmm.
I'll make a lot. I will have a lot of fun in my school. Even like my cherry and bow bag.
Yeah.
Sometimes kids want to have
Make it like this, okay? Snack like this, okay?
Some
babe?
kids want to have a pink bag, right?
Yeah.
So did, right? Well, we need
So Aizu, I'll show you. This is the lunch, okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's the fruit.
Yeah.
Is the
Snack.
Is the
Either thing. Either.
Aizu thing. It's the cutlery. It's a fork and spoons and everything, okay?
Okay.
Fork and spoons. And you need a tissue, right?
Yeah, even if my rice cooking,
Mm-hmm.
cooking up.
Yeah, rice is cooking. Okay. Now, we're going to start with your fruit break now, okay?
Okay. And sometimes when the
Now it's your fruit break.
my fruit is here, right?
It's cold and yummy. Eat slowly. Okay, I'll set the timer, okay? For I'm not sure how many minutes. Maybe they'll give you 10 minutes, okay? Okay, you're all done?
Yeah.
Good. Open it and close again. அதான் மம்மி சொன்னேன் இல்லையா லிட்டை வச்சுட்டு உடனே டைட் பண்ணக்கூடாது ஓகே ஃபஸ்ட் வச்சுட்டு அது ஸ்லோவாக போகுதான்னு பார்க்கணும் ஓகே பாப்பா ஓப்பன் it open it open it open it close again Good.
Did you put actual water inside there?
Yeah. Okay. Go wash your hands and. Oh.
And then we can start?
Remember to wash, okay? சாப்பிட்டுட்டு கையெல்லாம் ஸ்டிக்கி ஆச்சுன்னா okay?
Okay.
We'll eat after 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Wait பண்ணுங்க இப்போ தானே பிள்ளை சாப்பிட்டியோ right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go in my room.
Okay. Go to your room.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay. We finished in 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, snack time. Snack.
Put so much things in it.
அது எதுக்கு அது எதுக்கு இது your fingers, right?
I forgot it.
Yeah.
Are you crying?
Why? Why did you see me crying?
I know. Your face was like.
Sorry. Okay, put the 10 minutes timer. Okay, Bob?
Okay.
Is it? You like the snack? Good.
Don't worry, I drink my water.
Okay.
Ugh. You man still pong pong. Oh, sorry.
Right. Go wash your hands.
Okay.
Don't forget, okay?
And then sometimes can we do what else do we do?
Lunch.
Lunch.
Mm.
And pretend there's a dryer here.
What? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, baby.
And then sometimes call me for lunch.
Okay.
Just call me. I'm still busy.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
Always here over here. Oh.
What about it?
Ah.
Don't forget, okay, Mama? What you think?
Feel that I'm not sitting next to us.
It's okay, play charming. Okay.
I mean, sometimes you like to sit next to mommy when you eat good food.
Well, I don't need feet.
First you have to open.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Baba, first you have to open. Don't forget, huh? That's close. That is close, Baba. This way, yeah. Open பண்ணுங்க அப்படிதான். See, slowly, if you keep rotating, it will come. Slowly, yeah? And lid, Baba, திருப்பி விடா.
Okay, since it's dirty on the floor, you want it to be facing the other way.
No. Yeah.
Okay, see if it's hot, okay? இந்த இதில் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஹாட் ஆகிடுங்க பாப்பா. Good?
You?
Yeah, mommy eating it. Is it hot or is it okay?
Has it been okay?
Bit okay, yeah. It's not too hot, right?
No.
Is it yummy? Sorry.
Next time, can you make fried rice again?
Okay.
Oh.
You're full? Okay, next என்ன பண்ணணும் ஃபுல்னா? Sorry.
close the lid?
நான் ஃபுல்லாக க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஓகே.
That was delicious. Next one, the next one, can we do it in the afternoon?
ஓகே.
First step, can we do the what comes first? What comes
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இஸ் ஃப்ரூட்டடா. ஃப்ரூட் ஸ்நாக் அண்ட் லஞ்ச். நான் எல்லாத்தையும் உள்ள வைங்க.
first? The fruit.
கீழே.
First the fruit, first, and then snack, and then lunch. But then I'm just going home now.
இது அப்புறம் ஹோம் இல்லை, இதுக்கப்புறம் பிள்ளை அங்கே கொண்டு வைக்கணும். வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் கழிஞ்சு தான் ஹோம் டைம். ஓகே. லஞ்சுக்கு அப்புறம் யூ வில் ஹாவ் லைக் 1 more hour activity and then home. Okay. Yeah.
It was fun doing this.
1 second, baby.
Now I'm pretending there's my school.
Okay.